Jacob Gonzalez gets the rebound. Pass it to Pat. Now to Joey. Joey. Alley-oops the ball. Agustin. JM Agustin spins. Raise it up. Basket is good. May kasama pang foul. Pushes through. Gets the two. Alright, so Galoy passes the ball to Paulo Javelona. Gets a three. We have 37 seconds remaining on the game. These signs pushes for a do or die match. Here we go. We're at the first quarter. Balik sa kanya. And Pat sees the opportunity and passes it on. Basket is good. We have Roland Polizon. No good. Rebound. Basket is good. That's coming from James Camacho. And that's a basket for two for Kent Jokno. Basket is good by JM Agustin Jokno. Kent passes it back to Pat. Nice fake by Pat. Balik ulit kay Kent. Kent Jokno pulls up, gets the basket for two. Camacho no good. Passes now to J.R. Etia. Now to JM Agustin. Lays up, basket is good, and a foul for JM Agustin. Kent passes the ball to Pat. Pat. Sandali lang daw, sabi ni Pat. And a basket for Joven Loria. And here comes Renz Velasco, no good on the attempt. Rebound, running fast, and that's going to be a basket for Joey Gonzalez. And that's going to be Joven Loria. Gets the two. And here comes a three-pointer attempt. No good. Uy, rebound. Chinap-chap. Now Agustin, JM Agustin spins. Lays it up. Basket is good. May kasama pang foul. Let's go. Renz pushes through, gets the two. Nice 1-2 step. Basket is good. Paulo Javelona. Ryan Arcio passes the ball. Roland Polizon, wala pa rin, but Agoncillo gets the basket for the putback. For Paulo, steal by Paulo Javelona. Paulo attempts a three. No good. Rebound. Jericho Harabejo gets the two. Balik ulit kay Entia. Camacho again. Lays it up. No good. Balik tayo to Jokno now. Balik ulit sa kanya. Kent Jokno gets the basket for two. Renz Velasco lays it up. Oy, basket is good. 2 points. May kasama pang foul. Five minutes and 13 seconds remaining on the second quarter. On the attempt. Kent Jokno passing the ball to Joven Loria. Wala pa din. And now the rebound. Eto na. Going down. Going fast. J.R. Entia. Basket is good for Jericho Harabejo. Nice. No good on the attempt. And now the rebound. Here comes Paulo. Paulo Javelona. Three. No good on the attempt. Pat Buena. Pass is good. Timeout. Jun Wahing. Bornelia passes to Joey. Joey, no good. Elbow, ball possession, same. Gab Salazar to Pat Buena. Burning the time here. Balik ulit kay Pat. Basket 3. That's for Joey Gonzalez. Nice steal. Oh, no good. That's the end of the second quarter with the official score of 38-42 in favor of these Signs. So Pat Buena now. Uy, no good on the attempt. Rebound. JR India passes it on. And now basket is good. That's coming from jersey number 35 by Edsel Galoy. Now Pat Buena gets a 3. And Joey Gonzalez, basic 2. 47 all. Equal game. Now going down. Kens Jokno to Gab. Or Joey actually. Joey Gonzalez. And that's going to be a basket for JM Agustin. Basket is good. That's coming from Kent Jokno. And Jokno, no good on the attempt. Jun Wahing with the rebound. Jun, no good. Rebound ulit ni Jun Wahing. Jun Wahing, another attempt. Wala pa din. Jacob Gonzilio gets the rebound. Passing to Pat, now to Joey. Joey, alley-oops the ball. And Kent Jokno gets the basket. And now Kent Jokno behind the back pass. Kaso si Jun Wahing na nakakuha. Paulo Habelona, 3 points. And that's going to be a basket. That's coming from Jacob Gonzilio. Then Velasco passing the ball to Agustin. And now we have the ball moving on to Jacob Gonzilio. And now we're going to have a timeout here for the Signs. The ball game. So na nga ulit si Kent Jokno. And the basket is good. And here we go. Basket is good. No good on the attempt. But basket is good for Kent Jokno. Edsel Galoy passes the ball to Paulo Habelona. Gets a 3. Kent Jokno passing the ball. David Del Rosario. No good on the attempt. Gab Salazar gets the 2. Edsel Galoy passes the ball to MJ Morada. Basket three. MJ Morada. And basket is good for Edsel Galoy. Abelona. Lays it up. Tapos. And rebound. Plus the basket for Paulo again. It's the third quarter with the official score of 67-66. MJ Morada. Basket is good. Edsel Galo. Three-pointer. And Pat Buena being guarded here by Renz Velasco. Passing it on the side. Attempting a three. Basket is good. That's for Jake Concilio. Now it's becoming a ball game for Gardner College here with 82-74 as the official score. 12 points in the actually 8 points in the lead. Basket is good. Jun Wahing for another three-pointer. 82-77 official score. 5 points. MJ Morada. MJ passes the ball. Jericho Harabejo gets it too. Kailangan mag-iingat ang Gardner dito if they really want to win this ball game. No good. And now the rebound for Jun Wahing. Passes on the ball. Basket is good by J.M. Agustin. Let's see kung ano magiging strategy ng Gardner College dito. He misses again. MJ Morada. Rebound and passes to J.M. Agustin for a fast break. Basket is good. Timeout for Gardner College. Marking it as a tie game with 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Jake Concilio to Joey. Joey Gonzalez. Whoa! Sumabayan ang dalawa. Eh, Joey gets the basket. Grabe yun. Dalawang iniwasan ni Joey. Now MJ passes it to Jericho Harabejo. Back to MJ Morada. Gets it to Joven Loria. Passes the ball to Pat. And Pat Buena uses the screen to get a three, but no good on the attempt. Rebound for Jericho Harabejo. And now Jun Wahing. So we're gonna have the referees talk it out here again. Mukhang they would talk it out first. Tignan natin ko talaga ang pang-unsportsmanlike foul ang tinawag kay Pat Buena. So regular foul ang tinawag kay Pat Buena. And this will be 3 free throws for Jun Wahing. And here comes the last 2 minutes. There we go, MJ Morada. MJ attempts a three, no good. Rebound. And now an attempt here. No good on the attempt for Jun Wahing. We have Ken's Jokno. Here we go. Jun Wahing has the ball, being guarded by Pat Buena. And now, miscom on the pass there. But here we go on the inbound, passing into MJ Morada. MJ attempting a three, no good. Same ball. Basket is good, MJ Morada. 3 points in the lead. Joven. Oh, steal for JM Agustin. Basket NFL. We have 37 seconds remaining on the game. And 87-92 is the official score. Pat Buena attempts a three. Basket is good. Pat for three. And we're going to have 90 and 92 as the official score. 2 points in lead, D-Science. And here we go. Uy! Sayang! And we're going to have a penalty situation here. 90-92 is the official score. 2 points lamang ang D-Science. Second attempt for June. No good. Running down. No good. And looks like that's gonna be the end of the ball game. D-Science pushes for a do or die match.